Welcome and to welcome in your science lesson, right? As we have already discussed this, I have already told you that from now onwards, the lessons which are of science, they would be combined for grade 1 and for grade 2 because the topics are same. So I will be giving them some different tasks accordingly, but the topics would be the same, right? Now, before moving on, I would like to recall yesterday's work. Now, how I'm going to recall it? I'm going to show you a video again. This video is our Edward video, so you can watch this video later on as well. Are you all ready? Come on, let's recall by looking at the video, by watching a video. All right, there you go. Can you all see my screen, class? All right, there you go.
Hello, sir.
Hi. So you're ready for the day? We are going to see the natural resources. Do you see this? Sunlight, the natural resource, and it gives me energy. Wow, the wind is blowing. There is air. Now you tell me, what does it give?
Helps me breathe.
The seaside, lakes, rivers, they all are natural resources.
I love this place. Lakes, rivers, soothing effect.
Yes, and that gives us water, salt, and fish to eat. Hey, come on. Why do you look so scared? Don't be scared. It's just a forest. Another natural resource that gives us wood, the furniture in our house, rubber, used for tires in our car. Let me show you this farm. Another natural resource in the form of animals. Look at the sheep that gives us wool, cow which gives us milk, this chicken that gives us eggs and roast to eat. Now we are here. This land, another natural resource. Underneath this land is soil. Minerals and rocks are found under it. The mountain on the land, underneath is coal and iron. The soil, fertile land gives us fruit, vegetables, and food grain. So, how was your session?
Superb.
All right, class. So you have seen the video, right? Now, what was it about? Yes, it was about our natural resources. We did this topic, natural resources, in detail yesterday. And I hope you all remember what are our natural resources. Yes, and you have seen in the video as well. This video clearly explains you everything about natural resources. How do we get them? How do we use them? And we have already discussed this yesterday as well in our class session, right? Now, today what we are going to do, we are going to learn something about rocks. Remember, rocks are also natural resources. Rocks are one of the natural resources. So we are going to discuss about rocks, that how, what types of rocks do we have and where can we find rocks, right? Now, I'm going to show you some pictures about rocks as well, and another video of rocks as well, which again is our Edwell video. You can watch it later on as well. It's going to help you out. It will help you a lot in understanding, right? Now, tell me class, have you ever seen rocks before? Anywhere? You have seen in movies, okay. And what about if you go to different places? Do you find rocks? Especially in hilly areas, when you go for outing, for having a vacation to some hill station, you will find rocks over there, right? When you travel, when you go, when you have when you do trekking, you find rocks, and how the area is bumpy because of the rocks. So you see there are different types of rocks, right? And what type of rocks are there? I'm going to share a picture with you just now, and you can just see how many types of rocks are there. Can you all see my screen, class? Yes? Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Now, can you all see my screen, children? Okay. Now, these are types of rocks. Now, what are the types of rocks? You can see this is igneous rock. These are sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. How different they are looking. They look like this igneous rock are like this. It looks like this. Sedimentary rocks look like this. Metamorphic rocks, they look like this. Now, actually, what is igneous rocks? I'm just going to read out the explanation. No need to go into detail. Just for your sake, I'm just reading it. When hot magma lava pushes to the surface and cools it, becomes an igneous rock. Most of our volcanoes on the seafloor, examples are Tog, Quartz, Topaz, and Diamond. These are examples of igneous rocks. Now, then it comes sedimentary. Rocks made of sediments, grains of sand, mud, and pebbles slowly become stone. This soft and grainy rock is a sedimentary rock. Examples are limestone and sandstone. Metamorphic rock. Metamorphic means change. Rocks that are subject to lots of pressure and heat changes into another type of rock, altogether metamorphic rock. Examples are gneiss, marble, and the stale. Now, these are different examples of what these different rocks are. Actually, igneous rocks are found by volcanoes in mountain belts. They form when melted rock cools and becomes solid. Okay. Now, they have given a little detail which we need not to go into it. And then they have given example of, we have example here of sedimentary rocks, which is chalk and limestone. You will also see this in the video. Metamorphic rock example would be marble and slate. So these are different types of rocks that I have explained. You just need to remember that there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Now, see children, you have seen that these are different types of rocks, and you have also seen that rocks comes in many shapes. They come in many sizes, they come in many colors as well. You have seen that in the presentation. Now, sand is, how sand is made. Sand is also made by tiny pieces of rocks. How? When the big rock is crushed down by through, you can say, when the large pieces of when the big piece of rock is broken into small pieces by wind, by air, by rain, by ice. Now, wind, rain, and ice, it breaks the big rocks into tiny pieces of rocks. So we have that tiny pieces of rocks which will become later on sand. It will be formed in the form of sand. Okay, so you know how sand is made by breaking these big pieces of rocks into tiny pieces of rocks. Now, rocks are made by minerals, and you know minerals, we have four types of minerals that we are going to do detail later on: copper and gold. These are all different types of minerals. So rocks are made by the use of minerals. They are made by minerals. Okay, and we have four types of minerals. Now remember, how many types of rocks I have told you? three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Now let's watch a video that also will explain you the rocks in more detail. Okay. Can you all see my screen, class? All right, there you go. There you go.
Somebody help me, somebody help me, somebody help me, please. Idea. What? There is an assignment on the rocks. Somebody help me, somebody help me, somebody help me, please. Idea. Let's do some research on the computer. This is a volcano. Here is magma that heats up and makes lava to form. Do you see this? Yes, this lava solidifies and when it's cold becomes igneous rock, such as granite. Granite is used in the formation of buildings. And statues. Now I need to research on sedimentary rock. This is sand, soil, and dead plants. They form layers on top of each other and there is pressure. They press each other. They solidify and sedimentary rocks are formed, such as limestone, which is found in the cement and used in the making of road. This is coal. Coal is used in power electric stations to give us electricity and light. Now I need to find out about metamorphic rock. The magma heat and the pressure of sand, soil and dead plants form metamorphic rock, such as marble used in our homes and slate, as in the blackboard. Yeah, now I know all about the rocks. What? There is an assignment on the rocks.
Okay, class. So that means that you have seen what are the different types of rocks. You have seen how many types of igneous rocks are there, then sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. In the same way, like I have shown the pictures of rocks, you have seen that in the form of a video, right? So I hope you will remember this, that how many types of rocks are there. Need not to go in detail, just remember the three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Okay, and later on you can watch this video again by going through our to our website. There you can see the videos. Okay, now what you are going to do for today, you are going to write the names and draw the pictures of three types of rocks. I'll share the picture again so that it is clear to you and you will be able to draw the picture of these different types of rocks. Okay, can you see my screen, class? All right. Now you just need to draw the first picture which I have shown you, this types of rocks. Just draw in the same way, draw this type of a web and write the names: igneous rock, draw the picture of igneous rock; sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. Okay, you just have to draw and write, nothing more. Okay, so I'm going to give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes for this task, and your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Time is up. Showing your drawing. Wow, that's great. So I shall stop sharing this now since you people have done the work. So you remember these three types of rock. Only the names you have to remember. Only their spellings you have to remember. Only the types there you have to remember. How they are. How do they look like? Like you have drawn the pictures. What is the difference between? You can see the shapes are different. The sizes are different. Their colors are different, right? So I hope you must have learned something from this class today. You must have enjoyed watching the videos, which you can always watch it. But I hope once you watch it, you just like the video also so that it will be safe for you so you can use it next time. Okay, class? So see you later. Bye-bye. And don't forget to revise everything that we are doing throughout this week. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day.